Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchi Chawla, an Associate Professor at the Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology, IIT BHU. In this course, which is the pharmaceutical dosage forms, we would be talking about various dosage forms which are actually the lifeline of the drug delivery and around which the entire pharmaceutical industry is based. So, in this course, we are going to talk about various categories of dosage forms like the solid dosage forms, liquid dosage forms, semi-solid dosage forms, which are there being used by each of us in some or the other diseases. So, this course is not only a fundamental requirement to be studied by the undergraduate students, but also by the postgraduate students who want to develop their understanding of these dosage forms so that they can build upon it and do some more advanced research and could come out with better delivery systems so that they could be of benefit to the mankind. So, talking about the various dosage forms, like when we talk of these solid dosage forms, we can categorize them into capsules, tablets. Within capsules there are the hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsules. In the tablets, there are various kinds of tablets like dispersible tablets, effervescent tablets, immediate release tablets, sustained release tablets, diffusion control, dissolution control. So, we will be talking about all these solid dosage forms which are being used day in and day out, so that we can understand how these formulations are made, also how they are being characterized so that the right quality product reaches to the market. So, then coming to the liquids, in the liquids we will be talking of the homogeneous systems and the heterogeneous systems. The homogeneous systems like the solutions, the heterogeneous systems like the dispersions, which include the suspensions and emulsions. We will look into how we can easily formulate, though being very unstable systems, how we can formulate this system. So, what are the basic requirements to formulate and keep them stable, what characteristics we need to study so that we can work upon those and improve the stability of these. Then coming to the semi-solids like the various ointments, creams which we use in, maybe there is a cut or when we want moisturization like the cold cream and the vanishing cream. So, we would look into all such sort of semi-solid systems which are actually being utilized so as to give you a considerable consistency so that you can easily apply it. Then we are going to talk of the sterile systems like the parenterals, which how you can make a suitable parenteral, what all things we need to study so that a sterile safe parenteral can be delivered to the patients. Then we will also discuss about the pharmaceutical aerosols, the perfumes and deodorants come into this category. So, these are the cosmetic categories. We will be looking into the pharmaceutical aerosols. Then we will also talk about the stability aspects of across all these dosage forms. Other point which we are going to look into is the regulatory aspects, which as we know, these are all regulated formulations which undergoes rigorous testing, and each geographical zone and a country has its own FDA, which is the Food and Drug Administration. So, you have to comply to those guidelines of these FDA bodies so that you can develop the most stable formulation. So, we look into those minimum basic regulatory aspects so that we can develop quality products. Now, with this basic background, this course is not only going to help the undergraduate students who want to develop their basic understanding, but also it is going to be of use to the postgraduate students who would like to take these formulations and develop better ones so that they can bring up something new, something better for the society. So, with this background and with this faith that the current course is going to be definitely going to be a value addition to the knowledge of pharmacy, and I wish all the luck to the students who are going to take this course. Thank you very much.